Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view saved reels on Facebook, and now let's dive right in. Now to view saved reels on Facebook, first open up your Facebook app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you had saved your reel. From over here guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a three line icon with your profile picture icon. Tap on it just below the messenger icon, and over here guys on this page, scroll down and you can see the saved option available for us on this tab just below the marketplace tab. Tap on the saved tab and you can see guys there is the most recent available for us, and just there is see all. Tap on that see all button, then you'll be able to view all of your saved reels on Facebook until date. And there guys, this is how you view your saved reels on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.